Hey guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear suggestions on Instagram, right? So the very first thing we have to do, we have to just go into the Instagram here and make sure that you are using updated version of Instagram, okay? Now click on the bottom right side corner and just click on your profile, and here you have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, then click on setting, and after that you have to just search it, right? So on the search bar you have to type search, okay, and after that you will find only one option, that is called recent searches. So click on the recent searches and here you will find all the recent searches, right? So you have to clear all, right? So after clearing this is it guys. You have to just go back here, and if you try to search here anything, you will find nothing, right? So this is how you can delete the suggestions or search suggestion over the Instagram, right? So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching this video and see you guys in the next video.